Sunset on stucco, palms in the glow. Towel roof smiling where the desert winds blow. Circular drive says come on around. Wide open, welcome on fenced desert ground. Beth, Groener opens the dream today. Realty ONE Group lights the way. 3.3 acres, room to roam. Mountain views calling, this feels like home. 5 sweet bedrooms, 4 full baths. A ranch built strong on a peaceful path. Thunderbird Farms, let your big life start. Space for the wheels and space for the heart. Basement below and sunshine above. Every corner built for work, play, love. Beth Groener knows this desert tune. Realty ONE Group says move in soon. Step through the entry, tile under feet. High ceilings lift up every beat. Living and dining with the piano shine. Soft carpet places where the rooms unwind. Family room fire with stacked stone charm. Cozy winter evenings, bright and warm. Granite island where the stories flow. Warm wood cabinets in a golden glow. Double ovens, ready pantry stacked high. Breakfast bar buzz as the day rolls by. Primary suite with doors to the air. 4 posted palm in a sitting chair. Garden tub sparkle, shower stone cool. Walk-in closet keeping everything smooth. Thunderbird Farms, let your big life start. Space for the wheels and space for the heart. Basement below and sunshine above. Every corner built for work, play, love. Beth Groener, bring that bright preview. Realty ONE Group can guide you through. Down the wide stairs, the basement is grand. 9-foot ceilings and room to expand. Bonus for media, home office zones too. Possible 7 bedrooms waiting for you. 2 laundry hookups make busy days light. Dual pane windows keep comfort right. Super insulation helps cool and stay low. Smart desert living with an easy flow. Detached shop waiting with big garage yours. Collector or maker, bring all your more. Car painting room and hookups for the ride. Covered parking lined up side by side. Covered patio, hot tub under stars. Fruit trees swaying past the yard. Maricopa schools and cars nearby. County road rolling under Arizona sky. Sunset on stucco, palms in the glow. Thunderbird Farms is ready to show. Big sky, big shop, big home, big heart. Come catch the feeling before it departs.